Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of ceramics with the VIVOHOME 25cm pottery wheel forming machine. If you're passionate about pottery or looking to explore the art of ceramic craftsmanship, this is the tool you need. The VIVOHOME pottery wheel stands out as a top choice in the market for several compelling reasons. Crafted with premium materials, its sturdy steel plate body with a vibrant, corrosion-resistant finish ensures durability and aesthetic appeal. The 25cm diameter turntable, made from high-quality aluminum alloy, provides a smooth and reliable spinning surface essential for precise pottery work. Equipped with an advanced brush motor, this pottery wheel operates at a whisper-quiet noise level of under 60 decibels. This feature enhances concentration during your creative process, making it ideal for home studios or classroom environments. Control is at your fingertips with the VIVOHOME's independent foot pedal and handle for speed adjustment. The foot pedal allows seamless speed control while keeping your hands free for molding and shaping, while the handle offers convenient start and stop functionality. CE certified for safety, the VIVOHOME pottery wheel includes an air switch to prevent short circuits and excessive currents. Its single-phase 3-wire connection with grounded leakage protection ensures safe operation at all times. Whether you're a seasoned ceramic artist or a beginner enthusiast, this wheel is designed to support the complete pottery process. Its compact size makes it perfect for use at home, in DIY pottery shops, studios, or classrooms. VIVOHOME has created a pottery wheel that blends functionality with user-friendly features, catering to both professionals and hobbyists alike. Its robust construction, coupled with precise engineering, ensures reliability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any pottery enthusiast. In conclusion, the VIVOHOME 25cm pottery wheel forming machine is a standout choice in the realm of pottery wheels. Whether you're looking to hone your skills, teach pottery classes, or simply indulge in a creative hobby, this machine offers the performance and reliability you need. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews on essential tools and gadgets. Until next time, happy potting!